Hi, my name's Foye. I'm the Shimano Tech Rep for the Southeast US. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Shimano 105 5700 group. This group is going to share a lot of the same features and benefits that were first introduced on Dura-Ace 7900 and then Ultegra 6700. Those benefits have trickled down to the 105 group. First thing I'm going to talk about is the STI lever. It's going to feature the same advanced ergonomics, flatter perch, it'll integrate cleanly with the bars. It also is going to feature reach adjustment. This reach adjustment is done via a shim system. One of two shims could be used or no shim at all. This shim will bring the levers 5 or 10 millimeters closer to the bar. Reach adjustment is an important feature not only for riders with small hands, but for anyone wishing to customize the fit of their levers to the wide variety of shapes and sizes of bars on the market today. Another key feature of the new STI, the brake lever itself is going to feature a longer cable pull. It's going to pull a lot more cable. It's designed to integrate with the 105 Super SOR brake calipers. These brake calipers share the same pivot architecture that was first introduced on Dura-Ace 7900 and then Ultegra 6700. The revised pivot placement, along with the longer cable pull, is going to create a very strong, very powerful brake, very light lever feel. Compatibility with these levers and these calipers has to stay within the Shimano family. Either 7900, 6700, or 5700 levers and calipers can be combined together depending on how you would like your bike set up, but it's not recommended to use older calipers or older levers and intermix them. Another key feature of the STI is the brake cable and shift cable routing now goes underneath bar tape. Brake cable will go in here, and you have two placements for shift cable. You want to make sure you pick the placement that's going to integrate cleanly with the bars and create the largest radius curve for your shift housing. The larger radius curve is going to create a very smooth, very accurate shift with a very light lever feel. The new crankset receives new cosmetics, but it also shares a lot of chainring technology that was first introduced on Dura-Ace and Ultegra as well. This is a one-piece ring. It's not going to get the same hollow ring treatment that both the Dura-Ace and Ultegra gets. The back side of the ring, though, is going to share a very similar profiling in that the chain can actually glide up very smoothly, very fast, and with a lot less effort. The size and placement of the shift ramps on the chainring are also important. It's going to create a very clean shift, but it's also going to integrate very nicely with the new 5700 chain. Another important feature is the front derailleur. The back side of it has a wider link design. It's going to support the cage a lot better. Again, that's going to help lead to a lot faster, a lot cleaner shifting performance, a lot less stress. The rear derailleur is a wide link design. Again, it's going to be very stiff, very accurate. It's also going to feature a slightly longer cage. This longer cage makes the derailleur officially compatible with a 28-tooth cassette. Previous generation derailleurs were only officially compatible to a 27-tooth cassette. An important feature of the new group is the new asymmetric chain. This chain shares the same benefits that were first introduced on Dura-Ace and Ultegra, and that is an asymmetric design. The plate shaping on the front of the chain, which is designed to mate against the chain rings, is completely different than the back side of the chain. The shift ramps on the back side of the chain, plate shaping on the back side of the chain is designed to mate up against the shift ramps of the cassette, whereas on the front side of the chain, the plate shaping is designed to integrate very cleanly and very accurately with the shift ramps on the chainring. You want to make sure you have the writing facing out, no writing on the back side. If you do install this chain backwards, it will dramatically affect shifting performance and not in a good way. That is the Shimano 105 5700 group. Thank you for listening, and have a great day on the bike.